Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So we are now on our way to the station in Ocean Park here. This is the upper part of Ocean Park, the higher part of Ocean Park. In front of us here is a viewpoint. You can look at the scenery from here. It's quite a nice scenery. You can see lots of islands below. It also feels colder than below. So here we are. This view here is amazing. You can see lots of islands. In front of us, that is what we call the Ocean Park Tower. You can have a 360 view high up.
没有开啊。嗯？不是，这边是看 building，美美的 building。人 exercise。
我刚我们去那个那个
啊，哪里？
海湾村，
啊，
我们在这里。
The flowers here are well kept. Quite nice to look at as you walk around in the cool weather. You need to walk a lot when you're here at Ocean Park. This place is 3 times larger than Disneyland Hong Kong. This looks like it's inspired by Disney's Coco Loco.
你喜欢这个花？哇，好美啊！好像是那种 African 那什么。
这表窝吗？
There are lots of dispensers like this here in Ocean Park, so you can just fill up your bottle.
新鲜的水。
We are now currently quite close to Marine World, where you can look at lots of different marine animals. We're excited now. Let's go and have a look.
Something like Marine Mammal Research Center 好像。不懂。
哪里有？你这样，我这会。
This part is called Shark Mystic, and it is
係啊，應
one
該
of
睇魚
the
啊。
best things to watch if you love marine animals. Let's go check it out.
有买 shark， 我有过很多 shark 在这边。
像我们这里一样的。
是的。
这个很 cute。
This place is quite nice. It has a huge tank and the water here is quite clean. I think the animals here are quite happy. Lots of space to swim around. It has a lot of Sanrio character stickers on the walls around here. Makes it quite interesting for kids to visit and learn about the marine life. Here we can see some of Hello Kitty's friends. Ocean Park, I checked, it has two huge aquariums. This is one of them. This is up in the upper area of Ocean Park. There is another one. It's called the Grand Aquarium, that is at the lower area of the Ocean Park, because Ocean Park is split into two sections. One is the upper part and one is the lower part. This is the first time that I've seen this fish. It's quite big actually in person.
大只哦。Unlock。
卡通的，
没有，
我喜欢这个，
没有 pet，
这个
你喜欢大只的。这嘞，
可以做了。咦，我感觉可以做了，有吓到我了。
这样都吓到你。
Here, after walking a while, we are the lower section of this place. The thickness of the glass here is maybe up to 60 cm. It is quite amazing to look at all these fishes swim all around. It feels like they are swimming in their natural habitat.
Soạn mà. Đi ra đây các cháu. Đây này.
好吃。
Wow, it's amazing to look at the shark up close.
在跟电视 screen 这样。哎，不要。
你看，
Stick。
哇，你可以当很好。你帮我跟他拍，看我自己。
好像还不大。
Here we are now. This is the bottom of this particular aquarium. You can see some of the stingray swimming at the bottom. These are some of the biggest stingrays I've seen so far in many aquariums that I've been to. Wow, so many fishes here, and we see some sea sponges, if I'm not mistaken, those are called. Lots of fishes here, they are probably feeding. There is one huge stingray just passed by. Anyways, thank you very much for watching this video. This second part of Ocean Park will end very soon. Do catch the third part in the next video. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Do subscribe to my channel.
Thank you.